A cardiac research institute has released data that supposedly shows excessive traffic noise in Sydney has a negative effect on heart health, increasing the risk of stroke. James, you live in Sydney. Are you worried about the state of your heart because there are cars whizzing down the road?
Yeah, living next to loud noises constantly can be frustrating and stressful. More breathtaking research from the University of Durr. I'll tell you what, I'm really hoping that this report doesn't end up in the hands of some of our politicians who might take this as an excuse or to lower street noise, to lower traffic noise by bringing in 30km/h zones, which is good for absolutely no one's stress and no one's heart health.
Oh, God, we know. Don't give them ideas. We know councils love to do this sort of stuff. James Bolt, Tina McQueen.
Caleb, they've got to suck it up, buttercups.
I know.
Noise
Just
happens.
get over
Noise
it.
happens.
Get over it. This is life, eh? Merry Christmas to you both. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you.